Let's talk about this deal, because clearly, I guess you like the brand of Whole Foods here, and Amazon just taking a potential bite out of a huge consumables market here.
Yeah, I mean, it's an absolute seismic shift in the industry. I mean, Amazon, which we cover as well, has been coming after the $1 trillion consumables market. It's a unique market, and I think what they looked at with Whole Foods is they get probably the best brand in retail, or one of the best brands in retail. They get a great private label program, which I think is really important. Likely to add some pickup locations into some of those suburban stores. But the brand has got to be what the company went for. It gives them immediate credibility, particularly in fresh. And we were just actually out seeing the Amazon folks about a week ago, and they're clearly focused on the Amazon Fresh offering and being bigger in consumables. So this it's a seismic shift in the industry. It's really bad news for everybody else, but clearly good news for Amazon.
Scott, I'm looking at a chart here, or it's actually a map here on my terminal using the Maps Go function. You can't see it, but it basically shows Amazon facilities in the yellow lights, Whole Foods facilities in the blue dots. And the key thing here is that Whole Foods is not everywhere. It's in primarily well-to-do, fairly affluent areas. So it doesn't completely solve Amazon's grocery challenge. Could you see, theoretically, Amazon going out and making another big purchase to expand its physical footprint in places that Whole Foods doesn't currently operate?
So the answer to that is, I believe the answer to that is no. I think they'll use the Whole Foods footprint. You know, when I talked to them last week, they really didn't want to become a massive bricks and mortar player here in the U.S. I think they were experimenting with grocery pickup in Seattle. I think they understand the consumables market's a little bit different. While some things are fine doing subscribe and save, others it's much more immediate need. But I think they're also very high on Amazon Fresh. They're in 21 MSAs right now. We think that's going to be expanded notably in the next year or two to probably the top 50 MSAs. But one thing that's important is credibility in fresh. Whole Foods brand, according to our research, actually, while it's Whole Foods serves mostly wealthy urbanites, its brand resonates really well throughout consumers. They've built a fantastic brand, and I think, you know, it's always been John Mackey's dream of at Whole Foods to really bring healthy living to everybody. That's why he opened a store in Newark, New Jersey, and one in downtown Detroit. In some ways, he's fulfilling his dream to really make Whole Foods, the standard bearer for healthy eating for everybody.